Installation guide for bigger valve. Two, differentials levels valve. The differentials levels valve consists of 4 parts: bigger valve, floating ball, filter, nut. At the beginning, we need set the minimum water level as desired. First, measure the desired water level height. For example, we set 30 centimeters. Then, release the cord to that length, and fix the cord at the float buckle. The minimum water level setting is completed. Next, put the filter into the inlet of the bigger valve and press it firmly. Then, hang the hook onto the lever of the bigger valve. Finally, install the bigger valve at the water tank inlet and secure it with nut, while ensuring that the bigger valve is installed vertically. Installation of differentials levels valve is completed.